What's up, guys? Today I am doing another Roblox YouTube video. So, actually, I've done quite a lot today. Before we start, we gotta do my intro. So, guys, I actually got scammed. As you guys can see, I had like a lot of money. She said, pay me lots of money for this skeleton T-Rex. So I paid her all my money, and I only have $1 left. And then, boom, she said, thanks for the free money. I can maybe find it. Just look at my thing. Where is it? Since she left, I can't find it. Her name was like a Lydia something. I don't know. If that's you guys, that was not funny. If it's one of you guys. Me and my Dilophosaurus, the Genius are very angry. If that was one of you guys. Because me and the Genius are gonna talk about this in the YouTube video. Okay, we gotta dress up. Dress up. Okay, so, YouTuber, do not scam me or I tell my channel friends so please don't scam me. Okay. The Genius. The Genius. We're gonna go up there. We got, oh yeah. Me and my brother found this secret and adopt me. So, let me show you guys. Stop right. Oh, no, not right there. So, here's a bungee cord. Bungee jump. So, me and the Genius are gonna bungee jump. All around the map. If you guys are in my server and see me jumping, I'm in a Santa suit, as you all can see probably. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I think that might be one of you guys. If it's if it is ice skate with me. Oh, it is one of them. Okay. I'm gonna tell you, one of you guys. Okay, guys, don't forget, I am doing a giveaway of a airplane propeller. Let me show you guys. I have 2 in storage. If you guys give me something very good, lemonade stand. I think one of you guys are right next to me. I gotta go get my... Okay. So, guys, if it's one of you guys, I'm gonna place this down and make it 0. And if you guys buy it, you guys will be the best. Oh gosh. Are these 2 people gonna buy it? Okay. Buy 1, get 1 free if you're sub to my channel. Buy 1, get 1 free if you're sub to my channel. Guys, I can actually look who's sub to my channel. Oh my gosh. I'm going to look who's sub to my channel. Okay, going to my channel. Eight subscribers. No way. No. Oh my gosh. Guys, Jeffo is subscribed to my channel. If that's him, it can't be. Bro, those people can't be subbed to my channel. Oh my gosh. Those people can't. What? Your YouTube name. What's your YouTube name? Ah. Nope. What your YouTube name? The I checked my subs and only Laser Beam and Jeff O were my subs, unless you guys are those. I doubt it. Really, I doubt it. That they were subbed to my channel. I really doubt it. They actually, if they are Laser Beam or Jeffo, I'm gonna be surprised. Multi. Frick him! Yeah, well, I want your dragon. Give me that frost dragon. ABC if you're subbed to my channel. ABC if you're subbed to my channel. It's called Tiff. Called what the? Are you Blaze Beam or Jeff? Oh. Are you Laser Beam or Jeffo? Seriously? Bye. Oh my gosh. Mantito.